Okay, good afternoon and morning traders, depending on where you are in the world. This is Samesh Swats, and I'm going to go over 2.0 trend following strategy on the daily time frame. So, we're going to start off. Let's just move this down a little bit if we can. Okay, start off with, do it two ways. Do it there. Okay, Australian dollar CAD, and okay, it's looking pretty good to set up. Setting up nicely, it's broken through this level support. This is one power zone. You can see before it was resistance and movement around that area, a lot of stopping, and then it broke through, and a nice run up in this bullish move, pulled back and bounced off that area again. Okay, so this shows you that this is a very strong power zone, that it's used that zone so many times, and now it's actually broke through. So to see whether this price can actually close below this area. If it closes below this area and other rules are in place, there could be possible setting up for a short. Okay, the US dollar CHF, I had nice trade on there, but stopped out. That's just one of the ways that it is, and now it's just entering a sort of period of consolidation. There is a right here, so I thought it had broken through, that's why I took the long, but it just seems like it has fallen back into that range. So we'll just have to see what happens with the US dollar, Swiss franc. Onto gold. Actually, see on the daily time frame, I'm short from this price over here, which is 1286.4. My first half a penny stop loss at 1296. The second half a stop loss at 137. So sitting with a nice profit on there, and looking like this is going to run down. It's actually closed below the power zone over here. See, this is quite a strong power zone for gold. And it did below 1266.4, and it was a nice, very strong close. So looking for that to head lower. On the Swedish heading again. See if I can break Sweden 30. If up there, we're looking at long. Rules are available. And now we look at silver. Silver again has been bouncing off a very strong power zone over here. You see, it was a resistance back in July. It had a massive rally in August, pulled back, bounced off that area, bounced off it again, and then bounced off it again. Has the last 3 days of trade broken through that. So I have been short in this area over here, okay, and currently sitting with nice profit on silver. Okay, Brent I'm short over here. I saw a break through this power zone, and lovely power zone, very strong power, nicely pulled, and I was going to take it on a retest of that power zone, but it didn't. That's just the way it goes sometimes. Okay, I'm actually short on West Texas Intermediate. I am short around and currently sitting in a small profit. Looking for it. Let's just see how far it could go on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the next level of support is around this area here, and that around this area over here. So still got to go on the bearish side, and it's possible to look around there. If so, I will be in a play at least break even on that trade. So let's just see what has that one. Okay, let's take a look at the UK 100. Nothing happening there on the FTSE. Nothing interesting there. ESX, nothing happening there. It's bouncing against resistance. The DAX, I'm actually long. Breakout of this power zone here. It's long. Put it in there. Long and long since there. So my stop loss is even on the 15 moving average, and my second stop will trail the 50 moving average. So the market is still looking very small. The indices, there's no risk of any of this banks. Pretty much all that money is in flood market because it's only gains. So all this is flooding, and it's like stocks will be rallying for some time into the future. But at some stage it will come down, and but we'll take advantage of it in the meantime. So here the S&P, I'm also long S&P on this right here, and looking still strong. It's broken through this level. I took long, bounced off level, so I'm still for the S&P. The NASDAQ, I didn't take a long there, but I did take a long on Wall Street on the Dow. There, I say I'm trading correlate pairs, and that is completely correct. And what I'm doing is, in fact, between these trades, I've got to total risk 0.5% on each trade on the S&P, and 0.5% trades on the Wall Street, so that's still fine by me. The index is nothing at the moment. S&I, ISE doing nothing. The EX thing could break. Okay, the US dollar ZAR, this is US dollar. The pound dying. The US dollar JPY. I'll take a look at this one quickly. Looking at the charts. Okay, looks like it could break above this little power zone over here, and if it does, that could possibly be long. Let's see what our other rules are looking like. It's a nice area of consolidation, squeezing. This is quite interesting, in fact. How the price is squeezed below, down. I had to go somewhere actually. Price is almost created a triangle, long move, triangle. So if you're looking at technical analysis, that move, the height of that move, which is 1,500 pips, could potentially be the height of this move. So this might be a very good long. Let's just see on the daily frame. It looks pretty good. So yeah, as I said, a couple of things on money candle waiting for us to set. So let's just see it above level. Yeah, then we're looking for a long on the USDJPY. Okay, so looking there, Aussie US dollar, possible shift per pound. Anything right now. The EURAUD coming up to a high level of resistance. Euro CHS, nothing happening there. Euro GPY, a little bit interesting here. It's broken through this power zone. 135 point. Okay, so this is looking good for a long. Again, there's a squeeze. You can see that it's smaller in the range, and it looks like it wants to break out of that range. So if it can hold above that level, there's definitely a long opportunity. These are looking good. Long opportunity can hold above that level today. So, pound CHF, APY, also all the yen are good for longs. Looks like. So this is good as well. So again, yeah, the pound going back. In January 2009, there was an area of resistance there, so that weekly I just wanted to show you that. It's currently hitting that level right now, so we'll just have to see it. It's actually broken through this power zone, so consolidation, smaller range, winding up like a ring coil, and through there, pulled back, reached the area a bit, and is broken through this area, and I'll be very happy to take a long left. Okay, Australian dollar CAD, short here, and looking good for a short. If what else interesting here? That's the pairs again. Good. Okay. Okay. So, strategy. This trend falling strategy. One, because it's set to forget that when the big moves have taken advantage of them, and although in times of consolidation you tend to have a lot of losers. Okay, when the winners come, they more than make up for the losers. So I invite you to look at the strategy, see how you can add this to your trading. It doesn't take that much time once you know the rules. A little bit of ability, a little bit of discipline. Add this to your trading strategy. 50 minutes a day, and you can be taking advantage of these bigger trends that happen in market, especially on the day and the hourly time frames. Okay, have a good day, traders, and I'll see you another very soon.